19 money rules everyone should learn by 25. Number 1. Pay yourself first. As soon as you get paid, put money into savings. Automating this is even better. Number 2. Keep a 6-month emergency fund. If you have multiple streams of income, you can go as low as 3 months. If starting out on your own, you could need as much as 12 months. Number 3. Budget using the 20th of 30-50 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% towards saving, investing. This is the bare minimum. Number 4. Divide your bonus into thirds. 1/3 for fun, 1/3 for retirement, 1/3 for debt paydown at the retirement, if only low-interest debt. Number 5. Put all or a large percentage of your raises into saving and investing. This helps avoid lifestyle inflation and moves up your retirement date. Number 6. Avoid high-interest debt. If you have it, use the avalanche or snowball method to pay it off. Google them. Number 7. Always take an employer 801,000 match. Many employers will match a percentage of your paycheck this money is getting. An immediate 100% return. If you turn this down, it's the same as turning down a raise. Number 8. Your home payment, mortgage, interest, insurance should cost less than 25% of your monthly income. Number 9. When buying a car, use the 20-4-10 rule if you have to. 20% down, 4-year loan, 10% of your monthly income. I still prefer to buy older vehicles with cash, but each to their own. Number 10. You should save at least 15% of your income for retirement. Number 11. Your age subtracted from 100 represents the percentage of stocks you should have in your portfolio. Some are now using the number 120. Number 12. The stock market has a long-term average return of 10%. To calculate your returns, it's common to use 6 to 8% to capture the effect of inflation. Number 13. The rule of 72. It tells you how long it will take your investment to double. Example, the stock market returns 10%, so 72,107.2 years to double your money. Number 14. The 4% rule says you can safely withdraw 4% of your starting investment balance each year, adjust for inflation in subsequent years, and not run out of money. Number 15. Your net worth should be equal to your Ajax pre-tax income. 10. Example, if you are 35 years old and $100,000 in annual income, then your net worth should be $350,000, 35 by 100,000 tenths. Number 16. Have at least 5 times your gross salary in term life insurance. Number 17. Before spending money, wait 24 hours and ask, do I still want it? If you do, go ahead and buy it. This will save you from a lot of impulse purchases. Number 18. Save for retirement first, then your children's education. Number 19. value time over money, and experience over things. Hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please share another one. Thanks.